guys, welcome back to another video. Today is Thursday, August. Okay. Say hi. Say hi. Today's Thursday, August 9th, and we're on our way to Laredo today.
I gotta fill up the screen.
I don't know. We're on our way to Laredo because Grecia has an appointment right now at 4 and it's 3:05. We'll tell you guys what happened in just a second. Something super scary just happened to us on the road. My arms went numb and everything. But I need Bert to explain to you because like everything went in slow motion. I thought I was gonna die.
Just explain it. Explain what you saw.
Everything in slow motion, like my world ended.
Explain what you saw.
Okay, watch. We're on our way to Laredo, right? And if you guys don't know, it's just like, what is it called, a highway?
Right after Corralitos.
Right after Corralitos, there's this place on the road, whatever, right? Okay, so we're driving and it's just a 2-lane, or was it already 4? It's a 4-lane, like,
to get to a 2-lane
road, about to switch over to a 2-lane one. And there's what, a Humvee on the side of the road?
Yeah, there was just a random ass Humvee.
A random Humvee on the side of the road, and that's what Bert is looking at, right? Because he's like, is that a Humvee? And I'm like, yeah. And I'm looking at the truck that's coming towards us, and all of a sudden this truck just like gets out of the road. I thought it was gonna flip over, and I was like, whoa, 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 because I literally thought the truck was going to either roll over, but by the time, like, it happened so fast that the truck just went like he slid for like 3 seconds on the dirt or the gravel or whatever.
About 40 yards, 50 yards.
40, 50 yards, he was just sliding like this, like sideways.
Off the road, on the dirt.
Yeah, on like off-road or whatever. And by the time he got back onto the road, he was coming straight towards us, but Bert slowed down and he like, we almost had to get off of the road also, if not he would have hit us too. But thank God this man knows what he's doing, because if it was me driving, I literally would have just like slammed on the brakes and waited for the hit, because that's what I was waiting for. Look at that one. I was just waiting for the hit. That I got so scared and I was like, shit. My arms went numb. I almost cried.
No, you didn't cry.
My voice broke and everything. I was like, I'm so scared. I had to pick up my arms and everything.
But he got control of the truck.
Yeah, he was able to get control of his truck right away. And like he kind of went like that, and then he just kept going straight. But he knew what he was doing, because if it was anybody else, they would have just flipped over real quick. And he was able to control his truck, and he was going fast.
70, 75.
Yeah, that's the speed limit, 70, 75. So just imagine all of that. And it felt like both of us, like this is us, this is him. It felt like we were just doing this for like a freaking hour. I was so scared.
It only took like 4 seconds.
No.
All that happened in 4 seconds.
I was so scared. And then while all that was happening, it happened or whatever, and baby was like, what? Right? She was like, what? Like, what happened? And I told her, it's alright, mommy. And she goes, it's alright. She's so funny. But we're on our way to her dentist appointment. Hopefully nothing else crazy happens, because I don't need it. I need Jesus. And that's all we're gonna do today. Alright?
Can't look at the camera. You want me to crash?
No. That's it. So we'll see you guys at the dentist office. See what they tell baby, because if you guys remember,
She's gonna check her teeth.
she had to get x-rays done the last time, because she has her one little tooth over here on this side that grew like overlapping the other teeth.
Or like 2 teeth.
Like it's like overlapped this big tooth and the colmillo, or the canine tooth, or whatever you call it. And she had to get x-rays done to see if the other tooth was gonna grow, but that one already did. So it's just gonna like end up coming off. Dancing.
Hey, 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 hey.
All right, and so this is just gonna be kind of like a follow-up. So we'll see what they tell her, how her little teeth are doing. The dentist in Laredo, and we're gonna have to go back in a couple weeks because baby is going to need a filling, right? Because she has a teeny tiny cavity, but it's not because she eats candy. I don't know why you told your mom that.
Because so you can start giving candy.
It's not because she eats candy, because she doesn't. It's because of the way the little tooth is growing over it. It doesn't give me enough space to brush in that area. So the dentist had to go in with her little handy dandy tool and scrape it out. So what she's gonna have to do when we go back is, she was able to scrape out most of the cavity because it's like tiny, but we want to do that to prevent it from getting worse, because her teeth are not gonna fall out until she's like 7 or 8. So she still has a long time to go, and it's gonna take a while. So we really have to take care of the little teeth that she's got. We mentioned that she doesn't drink out of baby bottles, she doesn't use a pacifier. Like, I took all of that stuff away from her before she turned 1 to prevent her teeth from being damaged. She doesn't drink juice. All she drinks is milk and water. Her almond milk, I give it to her like just for breakfast, sometimes for lunch depending what she's having, but she drinks water over like anything. And the dentist was super happy with us because we did all that for her, and we're like, you know, helping her teeth get better instead of worse. They told us, since she is a really big cookie eater, they told us she could eat cookies, like it's not super bad. The only thing we have to do is give her like apples, celery sticks, or carrots after she eats cookies, just so that those other foods can help take out all of the cookie and it won't stay in her teeth, and which is fine because she eats like 2 apples a day anyways. And I did ask about the pickles because I had mentioned that she's obsessed with pickles. It's somewhat bad, but it'll in the long run it's gonna damage more of her stomach instead of her teeth because of the like acidity in the pickles. It's not a whole lot, but it still has some, and then it's gonna cause stomach ulcers and stuff later on down the road. So I'm gonna try to cut back on her pickles and not buy them as often, or just not give them to her as often. But right now we're just waiting at the gas station because we ordered some food so that we can go eat at my mom's house, and we're gonna be there for a little bit and then we're gonna head on over to our house. And baby fell asleep with her head all weird. Can't really fix it because she'll just go like that again. So I have completely failed at vlogging, or not vlogging, but uploading Monday through Friday. So I'm not even gonna tell you guys that there's gonna be a schedule. It's just gonna be whenever I can upload, because I suck at schedules obviously, and I don't want to get y'all's hopes up. So at least 3 videos a week. that's what you guys are gonna be having. We made it home already, and I just picked up all of Grecia's toys from the floor. Some of them. She still has some on the floor, just because we're gonna pressure wash the carpet because it's kind of stained and stuff, and I hate looking at it all dirty when it used to be super white and now it's not. So I just picked up most of her toys. Say hey guys. What are you eating? Yogurt. What is that? Yogurt. I picked up all of... Good job, Mama. Putting your own trash in the trash can. Good job. Mama's teaching you well. I showed you guys that I bought this bin the other day at H-E-B. It holds up her toys perfectly. And it doesn't really look that bad. Like, it's kind of an eyesore, but I mean, you know, it's because it's there because of all her toys. What do you want? What? What? Yogurt. It's yogurt. Say yogurt. Mommy, that's already 2 of them. Are you kidding me? I'll give you an applesauce. You want applesauce?
No.
Oh my gosh, you're gonna finish these so fast. Who else's kid is obsessed with Go-Gurts? Because she could eat 4 of them a day if I let her, and that's not good. It's so much sugar, little girl. You want one?
Yeah.
Say please.
Please.
Here, this is the last one. Oh, you're brushing your teeth? Show me how you brush your teeth. Brush your teeth. She came at me with her toothbrush just so I could give her another one.
You stepped on the watermelon.
I did. That one right there. Give me the watermelon that I stepped on.
It's like that kid show, Thomas the Tank Engine.
You stepped on it too.
All of it useful engines,
She did.
Right?
You guys got a fan jobs.
Carpet stayed outside and it's drying. We're gonna leave it outside overnight. It took a while to clean it to get the spots out, but it's drying, so we'll bring that in tomorrow morning. I'm gonna go ahead and end the vlog already just so that I can edit it and make sure that it'll be up for you guys tomorrow at a certain, like, in the morning. So thank you guys so much for watching. We will see you guys in the next one. So Daddy, say bye.
I didn't do nothing. Exactly.
Bye.
You didn't do nothing to keep those
Come give him a besito,
from
mommy.
sabotaging our jobs. You've done nothing since. Picking up the ass.